Hi, this is the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, let's try by this way. 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the face unlock option works here so fast and correct. Just we unlock the device in 1 second. This is the good result for the face unlock option. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes unlock methods. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.